Cleaning the fridge is one of those things you know you have to do, you're just not generally excited to do it. And that could be because you don't have the best method to get it done. And that is what I specialize in. So in this video, I'm gonna walk you through the products, tools, and techniques that you need to use to get your fridge clean in the least amount of time. Here we go. For starters, if you're able to turn off the temperature of your fridge, that would be a great way to save energy. Once that's done, you're going to unload all of the items. This is where you're gonna need a big clear space, table, floor, counter. Once that's done, you're going to remove all of your bins and shelves, and I will caution you to please be careful while you're doing this. I have ruined pieces of the fridge before, and they are so difficult and annoying to have to replace. Now that your fridge is essentially empty, you're going to spray it down very liberally with an all-purpose cleaner. You can do the same for the bins and shelves and baskets and whatever else you have in your fridge, and you can sprinkle some baking soda in there too, which will help to provide a bit of abrasion and deodorizing. Now, when you're ready, you can go back to the fridge. Here I'm using a large utility cloth because I've got a lot of real estate to cover in this fridge, and I'm giving everything a really good wipe down, specifically focusing on sticky spots, marks, and stains. Now I'm also using a cleaning toothbrush here, which helps me get into those difficult corners. It can also help to really scrub away any stains and also allows me to get into the gaskets. Yes, you have to clean the gaskets because if they're dirty, not only can they be moldy, but they can also affect your fridge's seal. Now we'll get back to the shelves, drawers, and bins. For this, I'm using a heavy-duty scrub sponge, giving everything a nice scrub down, rinsing and drying. I'm using one of our large waffle weave towels because they're super absorbent and I can use them time after time after time, and they will still do what I need them to do. Now you'll see that I'm replacing the shelves or drawers or bins after I finish cleaning them because they take up so much space. There's just no point of me trying to stack all the clean stuff on one side. It's sort of a clean as you go and replace as you go situation. You specifically want to focus on any sticky areas, spills, or stains. And again, you can throw some baking soda on there and use the scrubby part of the sponge to get rid of any of those stains or sticky spots. I always find that my crisper drawers have stains, you know, like zucchini that kind of died in there, and baking soda really helps to lift that stuff away. You'd never know. You'd never know. So now that everything is going back into the fridge, it really gives me the chance to be choosy about what I'm putting back into this beautifully cleaned fridge. So I'm checking expiration dates. If I'm curious about anything, I can open up the container and give it a quick smell test. I'm trying to organize things side by side so that I know where all my mustard is, all of my dairy products, all of the pickled stuff. It's all in like obvious, easy to find locations. And the other thing you can do is wipe the bottoms of jars or containers if you notice that they are sticky before you put them back. It's also a great time to replace your box of baking soda. You should do this about 4 times a year. So now, your fridge cleaning expert. And I'd love to know what you would like to see me clean next in the comments down below. We're gonna do a few videos just like this one. So let me know your requests down there. Now you'll probably notice that I didn't use any paper towel when I was cleaning the fridge, and that is for good reason, because you don't need to. And in fact, in this video, I break down when you should use paper towel and when you can use microfiber cloths. If you want to learn more about Maker's Clean microfiber cloths and our other products, you can click this button right over here, and remember to subscribe to the Maker's Clean channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.